So welcome back again to another tutorial video. This time we're going to be looking at how to reinvigorate and clean up our palette. You can see this is a pretty filthy palette. It's been left outside for quite a while and everything's a bit messed up. Now of course we can use tissue to clean it up, and we can dip some water in and clean away. So I know some people use baby wipes, they're quite good, but I'm going to show you another method which actually will get into the corners, into the crevices and the cracks of all of this. Here we have, just in here, really boiling hot water from a kettle. And here I've got a hog's hair brush. Hog's hair is an oil painter's brush. They're very cheap to buy, and they're not going to mess up your precious, expensive brushes that you might have bought for watercolors in particular. So as I said, you need it really hot, and you can see straight away as I start to go in here, there's getting off lots of the paint that's stuck into the corners, and that's what you want to do if you want to get rid of that. Here we go. It's really easy to get off. Just the hot water just reinvigorates the paint anyway. But here it's just getting straight into it. There we go. Pretty good. We do have some stubborn parts in the corner. They would easily come off. So let's have one more attempt and try here. Obviously, the hotter the water, the better. This is boiling. Just keep dipping back in. You need quite a lot of water. Doesn't really matter what container you put it in. This is a watercolor lantern for painting outside. The handle's broken off of this one, so I use it indoors. But it's plastic, it just folds down. And then you can see this hot water is getting right into the corners and basically melting the paint, really. Let's have a little go and see how that's come out. See if it's cleaned up. It's quite good. Still got a few parts in the edge. We can sort those out. Clean water again, look. You can go right the way in and clean out these little corners. That'll be good enough to start painting with. And so you get the idea. So easily cleaning up your palette, and next to no time using boiling hot water, a hog's hair oil painter's brush, and that's it. So thanks for joining me. Remember to subscribe, remember to like, and come back again for more content and useful tips on not only painting, but also tips on how to protect your watercolors, choices of palettes, choices of paints and brushes, and so on and so forth. Take care now.